Beginning with the record slide on Wall Street, the worst Christmas Eve ever for the markets, and this could become the worst December of trading since the Great Depression. The Dow in a free fall all day, closing early, losing more than 650 points. It comes as President Trump faces political battles on multiple fronts, including a standoff over the government shutdown that could last into next year. ABC's Rebecca Jarvis starts us off.
It was the nightmare before Christmas. Stocks continuing their plunge today. The S&P 500 officially in a bear market, down 20% from October's record highs. Wall Street having its worst December since the Great Depression, rocked by concerns over rising interest rates, trade tensions with China, and a slowing global economy. Hit hard by added political uncertainty. President Trump on Twitter lashing out again at the Federal Reserve, calling it the economy's only problem.
When investors don't have a clear picture of the strength of our economy and the strength of our country, that's going to force them to really tighten the straps.
Adding to the anxiety, Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin called CEOs at the nation's 6 largest banks over the weekend to confirm they all have ample liquidity, signaling to some on Wall Street a sense of panic. Mnuchin today also convening the so-called Plunge protection team of regulators to try and soothe jittery investors. If you started the year with $1,000 in stocks, you'd now have about $880 left.
Puts it into perspective right there. Rebecca Jarvis joins us now from outside the stock exchange. And Rebecca, where do traders think the market is headed as we close out the year and head into 2019?
Yeah, well, Tom, it's possible, according to traders, that we see a little bounce in the coming days. After all, this is the time that's historically known for the Santa Claus rally when stocks jump between Christmas and just after New Year's. If you think about it, the economy right now is on relatively firm footing. The jobs picture is improving, wages are going up, but there's so much uncertainty that lies ahead. And, Tom, that spells volatility for the stock market.
Rebecca Jarvis leading us off tonight. Rebecca, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.